mathematics, linear equations. Here 5 years hence father age will be 3 times the age of his son. 5 years hence father age will be 3 times the age of his son is the first point. 5 years ago father age was 7 times as old as his son. Find the present ages of son and father. Let us recall. 5 years hence father age will be 3 times the age of his son. This is the first one. 5 years hence father age will be 3 times of his son. So father and son. So let age of father be x, father be x and son be y. So first equation we can observe 5 years hence, that means after 5 years, after 5 years son age and father age. This is the son and father. Father we have taken x, son we have taken y. So after 5 years x plus 5 and y plus 5, because 5 years hence is nothing but after 5 years x plus 5 y plus 5. Father age will be 3 times of his son. Father age is 3 times of his son age. So father age is equals to 3 times of his son. This is standard form. So x plus 5 is equals to 3 times of his son is y plus 5, because we have taken son age is y plus 5. Here is the first sentence we got. And second one, 5 years ago 5 years ago, this is the father and son will be y. 5 years ago is nothing but before 5 years is minus 5. 5 years minus 5. 5 years ago x minus 5, y minus 5. Father age was 7 times as old as his son. Father age is equals to 7 times of his son age. Father age is 7 times of his son age. So 7 into y minus 5. This is 5 years ago, x minus 5, y minus 5. Father age is equals to 7 times of his son age. So x minus 5 is equals to 7 into y minus 5. Here is the second equation. We got these two equations. Let us find out the value of these two equations, x and y. So we get son age and father age. Let us take the first equation and simplify this. X plus 5 is equals to 3 into y plus 5. X plus 5 is equals to multiply by 3, 3y. 3 into 5, 15. We multiplied by 3. So x plus 5 is equals to, when we transpose these two values, it becomes minus 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. Plus 3y changes to minus 3y plus 15. It becomes minus 15. Let us simplify this part. X minus 3y plus y and minus 15 is nothing but minus 10 equals to 0. Here is the first equation. First equation we got. And the second sentence will simplify this part. X minus 5 is equals to 7 into y minus 5. X minus 5 is equals to, multiply with by 7. 7 into y, 7y. 7 5s are 35. It becomes minus here. There is a minus. We will transpose these two values. 7y, it becomes minus 7y. Minus 35 becomes plus 35. equals to 0. Let us simplify this part. X minus 7y equals to minus 5 plus 35, that is plus 30 equals to 0. Here is the second equation. Now let us take these two equations. First equation is x minus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. Second equation is x minus 7y plus 30 equals to 0. We will solve these two equations by elimination method. We know that elimination method, the coefficients of the variable must be equal either for x or y. So we can observe here coefficients of the x are equal. So let us subtract these two equations. So by subtraction, we know that symbols will be changed. Here it becomes minus, it becomes plus. We are doing fraction for equation 1 minus 2. So plus value it changes to minus, minus changes to plus, plus value changes to minus. Now let us subtract. So 1 minus 1 0. So here this is the plus symbol. 7 minus 3 is 4. Plus 7 minus 3 is plus 4. And here is the minus, minus 30 minus 10 is nothing but minus 40 equals to 0. Here plus 7 minus 3 is plus 4y plus 30, sorry, this is minus 30 minus 10, it becomes minus 40. Let us simplify this part. 4y minus 40, it changes to plus 40 after transposition. Y is equals to 10. After cancellation of 4 table, we got the value of y is 10. Let us find out the value of x using equation 1. We'll take the first equation. Here is the first equation, second equation. Equation 1 is x minus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. Let us substitute y value 10 in this. X minus 3 into 10 minus 10 equals to 0. X minus 30 minus 10 equals to 0. X minus 40 equals to 0 because here we added these two negative values, it becomes minus 40. So x is equals to 40 after transposition. So the value of x is 40, the value of y is 10. So the age of the father is 40 and the age of son will be 10.